Alright, here's another video for 3VT about exercise 37 from chapter 9. Earlier you learned how to draw box plots, and now we're going to do an exercise where you have to read some information from a box plot. I think reading information from a box plot is actually easier, but I want to show it to you anyway, because maybe there's someone who doesn't understand. Now, one thing you should know is that a box plot divides everything in parts of 25%. So this is 25%, this is 25%, this is 25%, and this is 25%. The reason for that is because the median is in the middle and it divides it in two parts. This is 50% and this is 50%. And then we have Q1, which is the median of the first half, and Q3, which is the median of the second half. This question is about the maximum temperature on Queen's Day. Right, if you look at the time, it's from 1949 till 2009. And in those years we had a queen, and we celebrated Queen's Day. There were two distinct periods lasting 16 years. So this is 16 years and also this is 16 years. Right, now please note that they are not exactly consecutive. Right, this is in the 40s and in the 60s, and this is then, well, a bit later. Question A. What do you know about the maximum temperature in the coldest 25% of the years in period 1? So period 1 is the top one. The coldest 25% is over here. It says here 12, so it was, well, lower than 12 and bigger than 9 degrees. So between 9 and 12 degrees. That's what we know about that temperature. Question B. What do you know about the maximum temperature in the warmest 75% of years of period 2? Well, the warmest 75% of period 2 is this. So it was bigger than 15 degrees, right, but never more than 27 degrees. Question C. During how many years of period 1 was the maximum temperature below 17 degrees? And during how many years in period 2? Okay, so 17 is over here. So during 75% of period 1, the temperature was lower than 17 degrees. So 75% of 16 years is 12 years. For period 2, it's not 75%, but 50%. So then it's 8 years. Question D. According to the Royal Netherlands Meteorological Institute, Queen's Day has become warmer over the years. Well, we can also see that in the box plots. Give 3 arguments supporting this statement. Okay, well, you can think of multiple things. I think the answer book mentions 3, but if you have some other ones, they're probably correct also. One thing I notice here is that period 2 has a higher maximum. See, it was never this warm in period 1. Also, it has a higher minimum. So period 1 had some things that were so cold that never happened in period 2. So I think those are 2 good arguments. Then we can also see that the median is higher. That doesn't necessarily mean anything, right? But also because the other things are also higher, it means something. But the thing we actually use with question C, I think that's a very good argument. Because here we have in period 1 only 25% of the days were warmer than 17 degrees, while in period 2 that was 50% of the day. So I think that's a good argument to also say that it was warmer in period 2. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.